Today we are going bird banding in the mountains. Okay, so when we go up there, eh, we go set them net. We go set 3 net first. If we get a lot of bird, we go leave 3. But if we don't get a lot of bird, we go set 2 more net. Okay? Everybody know what they have to do? Alright. Are you ready? Are you ready? There we go.
So, for those of you who don't know, bird banding or bird ringing is a process where wild birds are usually captured, measurements are taken, an identification band is put on their wing, neck, or legs. Now, the one I do, I put a leg band with a specific number and size for each species of birds. They're then released. Now, this information can be part of any active research. I'm not going to give too much details on what my research is about, but I am participating in a permitted research by the relevant authority. To be a board bander, you probably would need a significant amount of training and have to pass a few exams. So it's not just something you wake up and do overnight. But anyway, so I have a few of these sites around the island that I'm actively doing research on. And sometimes I bring the kids to help me. You can see here, I told them, don't look at the camera. You can't get kids not to look at the camera. They always look at the camera. Anyway, so we used what you call mist nets. When the net is all together like this, you can see it. But when you spread it out in its right dimensions, it is almost invisible. Now, the birds do not necessarily get entangled in the net, although it can happen at times. But they would fly into the net. The net has pockets, and they would normally just sit in the pocket, and you can come and take them out. I will show you in a minute. On this site, I use bamboo. I try to stay as natural as possible. So I did not remove any of the vegetation around it. And I use what you call a transition location between the heavy canopy, which is on the left. Actually, it goes down a steep hill. And on the right, you have an open area. And I put the net up in those locations, secure it. Sometimes you have to use securing ropes. Other times I probably just use a rock or something so it can blend into the natural landscape. This net location actually has caught a lot of birds, this exact net. So it's my favorite one. It's my most important net in that entire location. I do set a lot of nets, maybe 4 or 5, it depends on the day. Sometimes even 6 nets, sometimes 2 or 3. So as you can see here, there are pockets in the net and different layers. This net is a 5 shelf net. So it's 5 different pockets birds can land in. Birds usually fly into the net. By the time they see the net is there, it's too late and they land in a pocket, which they sit in for a while. Check the net fairly often, and based on the weather, I will increase how fast I check the net, based on also how much birds we're catching. Frequent patrolling is not only safe for the birds that are already in the net, it also keeps out any predators like mongooses that may be around. But when we catch the bird in the net, we put it in a small bag, bring it into our processing area where we take certain measurements like wing measurements, etc. You can see more of our bird banding stuff on our 3KCBirding channel. I'll put a link up there. Just follow it. It's really cool stuff on there.
So, setting the net varies, yeah. I have these sites that I've been to all the time. We'll see. Sometimes we get bycatch. Easy there, little fella. Easy there. And later, it's gone. And we have some buds. Hello, little fella. Hello there, little fella. Many ways to take a bird out of the net. What's that? First set. Gonna take this little fella out the bag. Hey there, little fella. How you doing? Banana quit. Grenade him off. Let's put a ring on him. Band size 1C. Good little fella. Wing guard 54. The trace of fat on him. Fat is a 1. He looks for any molt limit. No molts, no body of light feather molt. This is a less Antillean banana quit. Looks good on this side. It's blind on the other side. Hope you can see that. We're gonna band him. Shoot with the board. There's a slight drizzle, so I'll have to go take the nets down for a minute. Rain coming. Well, full-blown rainstorm. Dampen our abandoned plants. That's one of the things you get when you're out here in the mountains. Well, we'll hold tight for a while and see. There is always an influx after the rain. So far that's our largest haul. Normally we have 15-16 birds. Here we have a new bird, black whiskered vireo. You can see that whisker, black whisker there. Beautiful bird. Let's look for a molt limit or anything on it. No noticeable molt limit so far. Really nice thick adult feathers. Let's look at the tail, see what it shows. It's truncate tail. We'll have a second look. Just a trace of fat. Fat is a 1. Doesn't have a CP or a BP. But there's a slight bit of molt. Let's look for molt on the feathers as well. No flight feather molt, but some body molt. Nice bird. Let's take some measurements. You ready to let it go?
Yes, Daddy.
Go and release it. Remember how to release it, yeah? This is a green-throated carib. See the green in the throat? Beautiful little hummingbird. Let him go. We move again. Want your shoes in my shop?
Yeah.
I did put the doors. Huh?
One of them is bus.
One of them bus?
Yeah.
I see. Want your shoes?
One of my shoes is bus.
One of your shoes is bus?
Yeah.
So you'll be barefoot?
Huh?
So you'll be barefooted?
Yeah.
Well, Daddy barefooted too. What you say down there? Carry me good? Huh? That bag almost look bigger than you, you know. What you say? almost fall. You could make it? Let me film you to see if you go fall again. You fall already. Who is Mr. Fall? You okay? Alright, go on, go on. If you put once, don't fall. Hey, fall on your right side. You know, don't fall down in the bush. Because we have to come and look for you. Stay close to your brother and them so when you fall in, they'll hold you. Go on. If you take one slippers in one hand and one slippers in your next hand, you won't fall. Yes, boy. Mountain, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. What? Go down easy. Watch where you walk to come up and go down. Actually, I'm just trooping on. The bag bigger than yourself. But you have one of bad boots, so you can make it. Are you enjoying all yourself today? If all I say no, I don't give all you no food. You almost fall along the mountain. Yeah, boy, if you fall, you're big, you could get up. Your shoes stick in the mud? Yeah. Or take it off. Walk barefoot. Walk barefoot if the shoe full of mud. Which one more comfortable? Take off. Let me see. Show it, show it, show it. You stick in the mud?
Yeah.
You leave it on one or you walking without?
One and I walk without.
Well, I guess all you're going to movie because yeah, you're good? Go on, go on. And they're gonna leave us. Well, we made it out of the bush. You can see, soaking wet. I ring this shot off like 5 times. We got like a couple dozen birds, but the rain didn't have us. Some of the guys fell a little bit. Look at me. My hair is soaking wet. Anyways, like the video if you haven't as yet. Leave a comment. See one of our adventures. The boys, you all good?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
The boys had fun. So it's all good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. On to the next one.